So, in his effort to claim the Fulcrum Star, our hero was outwitted by the charming Rusty Pete, a loyal pirate whose only desire was to bring back his beloved Captain Slag.
Scourge of Polaris and winner of Zordoom Prison's semi-annual beauty pageant.
Of course, there were a few side effects. Hundreds of undead pirates were now free to roam the planet, and the captain now had to share a body with the pirate he killed long ago. But all in all, it was a great day.
It's them! They're attacking us! The undead crew of Angstrom Darkwater. Here, take these. They washed ashore this afternoon.
Limbs be undead pirates! Run for your lives!
It's the curse of Darkwater! The rumors are true! Save yourselves!
By me deathless soul, I swear, you'll be dining with that devil by sunrise!
You saved us all, stranger. Thanks for fixing the power thing.
We have to catch up with Darkwater before he comes back for another raid. Do you have any idea where he went? A map? That could be the location of Darkwater's treasure. See if you can find someone to translate it.
Whoa there, friend. What's your hurry? Well, this is your lucky day. See, this here's a map to Darkwater Cove. It's written in Decadroid, but I would be happy to act as your guide. Now, of course, I couldn't offer my services without, say...
Cold hard cash! Oh!
Oh, thank you kindly, friend. Let's go. Come on, partner. What do you say we, borrow that skiff?